Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss how we can create this kind of structure inside 3D Studio Max. So first of all, let's break down this into simple shapes. So here you can see we have the overall shape of a sphere, and inside this we have three different shapes. We have a pentagon here, we have a square, and we have a triangle here. So let's get started and see how we can create the structure. So first of all, I'm going to switch from standard primitives to extended primitives, and here we have a head draw option. Starting by head draw and click and drag, we have a nice by default tetra shape here. Okay, so if I go to the modify tab, we have under the parameters, we have the family option, the switch from tetra to Radek, and you can see straight away we got nice pentagon with the triangles. So the squares are missing, right? So I'm going to apply edit poly on the top and go into the vertex mode, select all, and I'm going to apply the chamfer, setting the threshold all the way to maximum and reducing the chamfer segments from 1 to 0. So you can see straight away we got the nice rectangles inside in between our pentagon and the triangles. So hit OK, and right away just weld all the vertices. Set the threshold to maximum so that you can have all the vertices welded together. So you can see the before and after vertices here. All right, so now we have the pentagons, we have the rectangle or polygon, four-sided figure, and we have a triangle. So now the thing is that in this structure we have nice square, but here we have a, you know, a rectangle. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up the ribbon, and I'm switching from vertex to polygon mode, and I am going to select this rectangle. Okay, so under the modeling tab, we have modify selection and select similar. So it will select all the similar polygons. And in the polygon section, we have a geopoly. So if I click twice or as much as you want to click it, it will just automatically, unify this stretchy kind of polygon into a more uniform shape. So now we got all the shapes, all the basic shapes, like we have the square, triangle, and the pentagon. And if I zoom in, you can see we have some sort of a gap in between these shapes. So in order to apply that, let's go under the polygon mode again, select all and insert and change the insert mode from group to 5 polygons. Set the amount to almost 10 by 32 inches. And from here, if I just hit Control I, so you can see I can simply invert the selection and extrude inwards. Make sure to change the mode from group normals to local normals. And we have nice gap around the shapes. And at the end, if we want to break these sharp edges, we can simply apply a chamfer modifier, lower the amount, and add segments a couple of times. So here we have the all the elements of the structure and the shapes.